You don't need a very soft cake. So you need a cake that is firm, that can carry the weight of the weeks. And you can use a round ball. If you can't cut your cake into a ball shape, you can just use a round ball pan to save your time. And then I like to use texture with my, I like to use a real cabbage leaf to create to gain my fondant. I discovered that the cabbage leaf is like a silicone mat. It's a natural non-stick. You may be wondering why I have a live cabbage here. When you're replicating an object, you need to study or try to emulate everything that is in the original object. And for me, when I was looking for a grainer, I discovered that the cabbage leaf has sharp vein that I can easily emboss on my fondant and still get it printed nicely on it. So for me, it works very well. And what I do is I wash it, dry it, and apply a little vegetable shortening so that by the time I put my fondant on it, it does not stick. But even if you don't put shortening on it, the cabbage leaf is naturally a non-stick leaf. So leaf for this class. After that, the next thing you want to do is to compose the cake. Compose with buttercream or any frosting of your choice. Like I said, all we need for this class, we're going to use less tools for this class. Just needing my fondant, after which I will do you don't need to roll it light, make it too light because you are going to emboss on it. If it's too light, it will tear out. So this thickness is fine. This is just fine. After this, I'll cut into the kind of oval shape. And then I'll lift it. You can apply shortening here, but even if you don't, like I said, the cabbage leaf is like a silicone mat. It is not stick. So I'm going to emboss on it. All I want is to get as much details on it. We have petals ready, so we're going to be placing them one after the other. Four petals alternatively. The next thing is to airbrush. Now the coloring works better with airbrush technique because you need to create the light and dark shade, and it's only airbrush that helps with that effect easily. So I'm using yellow diluted with edible spirits, and I'm just going to gently apply some yellow color here and there, not in depth, okay? Deliberate with this. I don't want it to overshadow the white. going to continue adding our leaves until our cabbage is fully covered. I deliberately pinch out or cut around the edge to create more realistic effect. After we have added sufficient leaves, we are going to now brush using green color. We are not adding all the leaves to our cabbage. As you can see, our cabbage is taking shape already, but not yet looking real. So we're going to bring it out with more color effects. So the next color we are adding is the green color. Just added a little bit of green to my yellow. I used a leaf green. It gives me a good result. Lightly in brushing, I'm careful not to eliminate all the whites and leave some of it to the there, just like what you see here. Okay. Because I added a bit of yellow to my green, that is why I have lemon green. We are done with our brushing. I also have my board ready. I created a wood effect on my board, and all I did was to use a skewer stick to create the effects. I'm going to lift the cake to this board. White color diluted with edible spirits to highlight some of the details on the petal, on the leaves. You need a pencil tip or a tiny tip brush to do this. You just want to walk through the pattern. If the brush is too thick, you may exceed your desired area or targeted area. All right. Message.